I pretty much decided that until they could get the engine situation right, I would step back. John Dalziel was going to come in, and he had some money, and they would run, I think, one car was what we were going to do. And I went off to run my business, to set up some changes that I'd made in my day-to-day life in the business. So it wasn't that I fell out of love with it at all. It was just that there were other slightly more important things. And had I got my business, well, I did get my business up and running properly. If I'd had time then, I could have gone back and gone, right, where are we now? What are we doing?